Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Geeks. I'm Ethan de Guzman, and today we're going back a little bit on a sneaker unboxing. If you know my profile and I've shown you some of my collection, the name of the game on my profile is actually colors. That's why I love colorful shoes. I really like the style of having a little bit more of simplicity on the top, while at the bottom where your socks and also the shoes can also shout out colors to give you the personality or my personality. So with today, I'm going to show you an unboxing of the latest craze shoes today, which is specifically the World Balance Go City Places collection, and I have here the very beautiful Toyko collection. For me, this is one hell of a sneaker that actually is making craze right now. It's one awesome sneaker that you should really watch out and consider if you're more of a color personality guy like me. So why you should check out this sneaker and all of the other Go City Places collection, check out in this sneaker unboxing now. So before I begin, make sure you subscribe on this channel because I'm giving away a 19-inch HD TV and also an Aftershokz Bluetooth headset through the links below at the videos I will feature. Make sure you join those giveaways. All you have to do is just simply subscribe to the channel and follow the mechanics, and you will be able to have a chance to win one out of the two prizes that we're giving away right now. Okay, today I'm going to show you this one, the World Balance Toyko collection from the Go Places with the City collection from World Balance. This is actually under their Invictus lineup, where it's really nice. I really recommended this because when Carlo Ople actually did his unboxing of the three collections from the Havana, from the London, and also this one, the Toyko, the moment I saw the Toyko, when he pulled it out from his unboxing, I was, wow, this is my color profile, this is my personality. It simply shouted out that I really need to have this shoe. I simply ordered online, where World Balance has their online shop, and then you have to order with a promo code. I got this at 200 peso off, and the shipping fee is also free. So technically I got this for 1,999 pesos from the usual SRP of 2,199 pesos. So what's cool about this shoe is it actually shouts out from the collection itself, from the Invictus series. It shows out a lot of personality. We have London that's very good in its strides from red to blue. We also have the Havana that's very calm and usual. As Carlo said, it was actually very similar to the Adidas Wave Runner series. This one for the Toyko series, it simply shouted out for me the personality of having a nightlife, and the simple violet strides, and also paired with the green, the color combinations are just so simply amazing for me on a shoe at this affordable rate. But of course, they also have other series. They also have the Sydney, that represents Australia, of course, in terms of its calmness. They have the Miami in series as well, and last one is the Madrid, which is a more resemblance of a strong red and also black color. So all of those 6 collections is actually really nice, but for me, this really catches the pie. So before I proceed on the unboxing right now, I'm going to show you a little bit of my collection. So I currently have the Puma Rubiks with me, as you can see, and also the Rubik Soul Fury. Now, this is the interesting part. The Puma Rubik's collection, really nice, but the problem is it doesn't have any violet, since it follows the colors or the 6 colors of the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, this is such a nice shoe collection. I've reviewed this one during our trip in Osaka with Carlo Ople as well, and the team from Sneaker Talk, and also Hype Geek or Colin Chan from Ungeek. But this one from the Soul Fury, I really love the colors, but because of the very strong violet and also neon green color combination. As you can see, if you combine these two, it's almost the result of this one. It has all of my color profiles. Now, what's really nice about this one is the strides of the color combinations of having an almost teal green and also solid violet, which is very light. It's not those very strong colors of violet, but it's more of a almost pastel color like. So it's made of synthetic leather, and I really appreciate that even the stitches is color matching on the material itself. Even at the back, at the heel, you will be able to see a very strong yellow paired with the red suede. This is a suede material at the back for the very subtle logo of World Balance at the back. And even on the pull tab, it's violet. At the front, you also have side accents of yellow, where on the toe side, it's just a plain mesh or a suede black. At the bottom sole, you also have at the middle is a more of a plastic with the World Balance logo here at color red, and also the midsole is made out of white, while the inner sole is actually made of black EVA rubber, and also the outer sole itself is made out of very quality traction in terms of the materials itself. Now, what I like about this one is the upper materials that they were able to use, and the combination of colors is just right on simple. It doesn't really shout out same as the Rubik's, because it's, for some, it's just too many design for them and too many color combinations. Here, World Balance was able to deliver more of a balance. Kaya nga balance, di ba? World Balance was able to deliver a really striking, even with the design in the grooves. There's no straight lines, there's no boxy edges. Everything is just curving, and also all throughout similar to technically a Wave Runner in design. But regardless where the design was taken or taken inspiration from, the materials they use, from even the laces has the combination of purple and also teal green. I really love it all. Everything here, including the tongue at the inner, is actually red as well. Even the inner padding, it even has a very subtle branding of World Balance. It even says bounce pad insole system. It's just a really nice shoe. Now, when it comes to performance, everything here is really nice. I'm size 8. This is Europe 41 US 8, the one I got. But technically, on my experience, this could have been 7.5 to give you a very tight, comfortable feel. But if you're more into the casual walking, not really on the running, not really on the super long strides, this could be also on your regular sizes. Perhaps on the bigger sizes with Carlo, he's size 13. He said to go one size upper, because in terms of sizing, once you go higher, actually the sole or the sole frame of the shoe itself tends to get smaller, or it's not to fit size. But in my size, I'm size 8. It's really nice and just enough for me. So how about the experience of walking on this one? I have to give it a thumbs up for the price of 2,199 pesos. First of all, the insole is just heavenly. This very thick insole, as you can see here, is an heaven sent, because not a lot of manufacturers right now can provide this kind of insole, where this is more than around half an inch thick insole, has good padding as well. It might look chunky, but in my preference, I have very narrow feet. It fits well, and it just has some minor spacing here at the tip of the toe, so everything is more of a cushioned feel. Even the tongue of the shoe itself from the sides are all padded properly and giving you a more comfortable feel, giving you a very nice casual feel. And also, it's nice for long walks in terms of in the mall. Of course, it's really at leisure wear that it's nice to wear out every day. So this adds on to my collection, adding up for my Puma X Rubik's from the Reebok Soul Fury, and also my other collections with simple but strong color shoutouts. That's just simply shouting out my personality. So that's it, guys. Thank you for checking out the unboxing of the World Balance Invictus, particularly the Tokyo edition. And I'm sure I'm going to look forward for more shoes from World Balance to add up to my collections, because man, they just simply are killing it with a lot of new shoes that are really affordable, at the same time uplifts the hype and also the fashion in terms of sneaker wear here in the Philippines. So kudos to World Balance for releasing their first collection of the Invictus Go to City Places collection, particularly the Tokyo collection or the Tokyo edition from the Invictus series. I really love them. Hope I can get and cop more shoes from you guys, because man, this is simply a shoe that creates statement. It's not about the brand, guys. It's all about how you wear it, how you feel it, and also how you carry the style. For me, this is one shoe that will create a lot of likes in terms of your social media feed. A lot of people are already asking me, where did you get them? It's really nice. It's a talk of the town right now, and it's such a nice feeling that, of course, you buy local, because this is such a Filipino company as well. Why not support as well in Filipino and go local as well? So with that, guys, thank you so much for checking out our unboxing of the Invictus Tokyo edition, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, as I'm currently giving away a 19-inch TV, an aftershocks Bluetooth headset, and much more in the near future. Follow me on Instagram, and also don't forget to like our Facebook page, Hungry Geeks PH, while you're at it, so you're informed with the latest news here in the Philippines, and I'm sure that you're going to love our channel as well. So how about you guys? Let me know, what do you think about the World Balance Invictus Tokyo edition? Do you like this, or do you like the other series such as the Havana, the London, the Madrid, and other series that are available from the collection? If you have something to ask to me, just hit down a comment down below, and I'll make sure to answer it, and I'll try to at least include some of your questions in my next video. And why not? This is a community, and I love to answer questions that can really contribute to everyone as well. So with that, thank you so much, guys. See you on the next episode. Bye.